When it comes to stocking your fridge, the old saying of a place for everything and everything in its place is very apt. Stored in the right place, your food keeps fresh for longer. And with the average family throwing away about £700 worth of food a year, what a waste! Let me help you to save some of that by following my simple tips. Wow, this is the wrong way. Let me show you the right way. Store your food properly makes your shopping last longer because your food stays fresh, so you throw out less. Dairy products, ready meals, salad dressing and jams should be kept on the top shelf of the fridge or in the top half of the door, where the temperature is slightly higher, just right for these foods. Cooked food, leftovers and open cans should be placed on the middle shelf, and condiments, pickles, eggs in the center of the door. And most importantly, uncooked meat, fish and poultry should always go on the bottom shelf, ideally wrapped in plastic film or foil. This is to avoid blood or juices dripping or spilling onto other food, which may contaminate and cause illness. Or use the chiller box, a special area we designed for meat and fish. It keeps them fresh by storing at lower temperatures. For fruit and vegetables, our crisper box has a contoured base, which allows air to flow around the products, keeping them fresh for twice as long. Finally, bottles can be placed in the bottom of the door or in a bottle rack. There! Neat and tidy, keep your food fresh for longer and saving you money. Perfect! Find out more at boschhome.co.uk and see my other useful how-to links.